So today I want to do something a little bit different. This is not a mica powder painting or a resin video. I want to do an unboxing. So I ordered several different molds for the videos I want to make in the future, and this is actually pretty impressive because I was expecting this snail to be minuscule, and it's huge. Oh my gosh, is it huge. And I got more than one because I thought they were going to be small, but they're huge and they're actually really deep, which I really do like the deep molds like that you can stand up, because I don't have to be paranoid about spilling any of my resin when I do the pours. So I was really impressed with those two right off the bat. I say two, I might actually have a third lying around. This one's just going to be in the shape of a leaf, and it's a leaf tray. I think it's going to be like a little jewelry tray. And again, I was impressed with my luck. It's actually a lot bigger than I expected, and it looks like it's going to be really fun to paint. And this is a shell. I'm showing you the back of it first, because you really can't tell from the front too well what it's supposed to be. And it's also going to be a tray of sorts, but I have a little bit of a bigger project planned for that, but I think I'm going to keep you in the dark about it until I decide to do it, because it is a little bit complicated. You know, I love my butterflies if you've watched my other videos, so I got some more butterfly molds. This one's a little bit smaller, but it's still a decent size, and it's deep again, so no paranoia about spilling resin on myself. And I got a couple of different styles, because I figured if I did one style of butterfly, why not add a few more to complement it? And those are also kind of the same consistency of the candy molds, which I like, because those always, I feel, hold the mica powder more strongly without me having to spray like any kind of silicone release or anything like that. So got another one here that I'm just going to lay on top. And I think that might be all for the butterflies. Not quite sure. I'm digging around here. Oh yeah, I got another one that's like the ones I've been doing, because I wanted to be able to do two at once and make more at one time. So now I've got a whole variety stack of butterflies to paint for future videos. Get some new color ideas in there. Let me see, I've got a few more to the side. I'm just trying to organize them real quick before I pull them in front of the camera. I really did get a lot. Like, I had an entire haul come in at just one time, and it's kind of great. But now I'm having to struggle to get all the plastic off of them. There we go, those are swans. And the reason that I don't have them unwrapped before the video is that the silicone molds tend to catch every particle of dust and every hair that ever floats through the air. So the best thing really is to keep them wrapped up best you can until you're ready to use them, so that you don't have to do too much pre-cleaning when you're getting ready to paint them. But I think these two swans might actually be meant to be used as I think bookends of sorts is what I'm thinking of. I'm not exactly sure. I don't recall perfectly from memory what the Amazon description said, but it's not going to matter because I'm going to link them all. So, or at least the ones I can find. I may not have gotten all of these on Amazon, but the ones that I did definitely find there, I'll link. And if you've already stuck with me this far, or if you've already watched 4 or 5 of my videos, you may as well like and subscribe. Just do it. Just hit the subscribe button. You know you want to. And in the meantime, keep making art, and I'll see you in the next art story.